In Binh Duong, Vietnam, a modest home emerges as a retreat for both living and remote work. Designed with simplicity and sustainability in mind, this house embodies harmony with nature. Rooted in spiritual practices and vegetarian living, the space prioritizes tranquility, self-sufficiency, and adaptability, creating a seamless balance between daily life and inner peace. The house seamlessly integrates nature through buffer spaces, verandas, courtyards, and corridors that enhance airflow and soften natural light. These in-between areas foster privacy while maintaining an open, breathable connection with the outdoors. This design encourages a slow-paced lifestyle where architecture does not confine but instead invites nature inside, creating a living environment that is both practical and serene. Crafted using locally available materials, the structure embodies sustainability and cost efficiency. Skilled local artisans contribute to its construction, ensuring traditional techniques shape a home that respects its environment. The just enough design approach optimizes space and materials, ensuring that every element serves a purpose, eliminating excess while enhancing adaptability for the family's evolving needs. More than a shelter, this house is a spiritual sanctuary, a place for meditation, mindful living, and meaningful connection with the earth. Through its thoughtful design, it fosters a lifestyle rooted in self-sufficiency, balance, and sustainability. In the heart of Binh Duong, this home stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, where life flows effortlessly between nature and the built environment.